My name is Ash, and I am a slave.
We're unspottable. What are you gonna do about it? Oh, I'm totally spotted on this trailer. Holy shit, that's black. What logbook? I gotta go spot something. Oh fuck, I broke it. Holy shit, that's heavy, but I got this. I hope Blaine didn't see that. Yeah, it's supposed to do that, it's doing a burn. Spotswell's my middle name. I got a permit. Matter of fact, I got two, it's so heavy. Do you have something that needs spotted? Huge difference here. So this is my old camera. This is GoPro. I do believe this is a 4 silver, but the screen, no image stabilization. Like sun bleached all over the place, and it's pretty wobbly. It's all right if it's still and just sitting there, but it does not like vibrations like the truck and stuff. So, and I've also. This is iMovie that I made this on. I just recently got Final Cut Pro, so I'm gonna start using that. It's just like a upgraded version of iMovie, which iMovie is free on the iMac, so we're gonna see a little bit of different things here and there popping up. I'm starting to learn a whole nother program since I got nothing else to do. Since who works anyways? The oil field, I'm retired. Alright, today we're going to go back in time. We're going to visit the Roadtrain days. Yes, I am running out of Cypress stuff to really post. Been doing lots of bad work, but it's all on location. Can't really post it. It's kind of private. So we're revisiting a dam crossing I did with a 40-foot shack for Q&A, which is Black Vault's company that we did lots of work for when I worked at Roadtrain. Lots of shacks. So the power company at Ghost Lake wants a shack across the Ghost Lake Dam down to the bottom there so they can do upgrades. And they want a shack to be able to hang out in and do their meetings, all that good stuff. So we're gonna go preload today, and then tomorrow morning we're gonna jet out and take it down. It's pretty interesting. There's only inches to spare on each side. The Ghost Lake Dam has a jig jog when you drive across it, so the tail swing is a bit of an issue. It's a 40-foot shack on the monster C500 T-bed. It's about all she can handle. It's about 40 feet. Maybe 45 if you're pushing it. But alright, stay tuned and let's go on a journey down to Ghost Lake. It's southwest of Calgary on Highway 1A, and it's a nice little area. It's good, John. I like the drive. How your truck runs when you got 9,000 spot bot ponies. I think I just shitted on carbon tax. Here comes that sexy beast, Machu.
I'd love to get to know your handle. CB Savage here. Come on, come on.
accident waiting to happen. Buddy backs up. Leaves her in reverse. Green light's gonna go here and he's gonna pin her. Unless he's got his lights in backwards. It's a possibility. People do that too. Oh, look, it isn't wrong. What a homo. Here we are at Ghost Lake Dam. I do believe that's the Bow River that goes through Calgary. We're gonna go down there and cross over. I don't know exactly where we're going with those two units. Here comes my escort. Take me for a ride. We'll see what's going on. Well, it sure ain't gonna fit, so we're gonna unload it and we're gonna grab it with the bed from the proper side so the doors are on the right way, because like always the doors are on the wrong side when it's on the trailer. Buddy's all worried about the power lines here. He's like, those are 380 kVA, we gotta keep at least a 2-meter distance. How lucky if the load was about 3 meters high and those power lines look to be about 12 meters up. Oh look, it fits. That's enough of that country stuff. Here's where it's gonna get tricky. Then we got a roadway that's about 14 feet wide. The shack is 12. 40 feet long. The curves here on top of the dam are going to be a little tricky to navigate because of the tail swing of how much I got hanging out the back of my truck for when I turned. Spoiler alert, everything went perfect. So now that we're past the first curve, wasn't too bad, just enough room, but now I don't have enough room to even get over to the right side of the street, so I can zigzag through this 45 here that's coming up that's pretty tight. So I'm gonna have to back up and get it over inch by inch. All these orange guys are running around, scratching their heads, sweating it out, thinking it's not gonna happen. No spotter required. It's the spot bot. I got this.
Ryan, don't lose that cool of yours. That's your meal ticket.
Bearded guy, what's up?
I just lost my job to a goddamn robot.
Good times. Psych. Of course nothing happened. That was tight.
Yeah, that was. Nice work.
Thanks, man.
You win. Perfect.
Gay robot in the house.
Word up.
The goal here was to tuck it up along the trees here, but they had one branch that was sticking way out. You could probably barely see it there. So they decided to try to take it down with a skid steer, but that didn't have enough reach. So then we had to put it down on the ground and drag it in underneath, then try to level it.
What the heck is that?
Great day to be doing squat thrusts and lifting our huge triangular iron weights.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Look at that top view. Damn! That looks good. Dimension sounds pretty meaty too. Cue the D sign. Nothing like a rattling D sign to ruin a great moment. Damn, look at how good those clouds look too. Shit. You gotta hand it to Alberta for having those wide open skies and those great clouds.
Actually, outside.